If you ever had a business idea, a website idea, or an app idea, and the moment you thought about coding, you said, nah, never mind. This video is for you. Today, I'm building a motivational app, something I will use every day by literally chatting. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. No code, no tech headache. Just telling the AI what I want and watching it build. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get to app making. A lot of us have ideas, but we don't always have the time, patience, or technical skills to turn those ideas into something real. Caffeine.ai is built around a simple concept. Instead of learning how to code or wrestling with complicated website builders, you just have to explain what you want, like you're talking to another person, and it handles the rest. You're not dragging blocks, you're not sitting through long tutorials, and you're not starting at a blank screen wondering where to start. It's designed for creators, entrepreneurs, and side hustlers who want to move quickly, test ideas, and focus on building, not the tech. And this isn't just a mock-up or concept tool. What it creates can actually be published and used for your business. So rather than just talking about it, let me show you exactly what it looks like when you turn an idea into something real just by chatting. Okay, so now I'm about to build an app. I'm so excited. Please tell me what app to create. I would like to build a affirmation app. Okay, so I'm asking for the affirmation app to be built. Okay, so at the beginning of the day, we're going to go to Pro. Okay, it starts with instant. Please click on Pro for the best results. Okay, now it is building an affirmation app. Look at this. I can put in whatever I want to put in. Of course, I'm going to put in something positive so I can see it every day. This is a daily affirmation app. I am enough. Save the affirmation. Let's make sure it saves. And it's saved. I am enough. Okay. Now I want to put a reset button. So every time I press the reset button, it'll change the affirmation. Let's see if it can create that reset button for me. So every day, if I want to see 4 or 5 different positive messages, I can see that. Okay. So let's build that now. It's going to give me that reset button after every time I reset it. Okay. It's going to be every day, a fresh day, a new affirmation. Number 3, be easy to read it. Reset that button. It's going to be at the bottom of the affirmation. Okay. It is creating it now. It's coding. There you go. Change affirmation. Look at the button at the bottom. It has to change. You click on it, confirm it that I want to have a change button. Now I can change it. I will have a great day. Save affirmation. And you can change the affirmation now. So I can just keep programming new beautiful affirmations, and I'm going to name it Affirmation App. Now, this is exciting. So now, can you change the background to be lavender? I picked a lavender color because lavender, that color represents positivity, uplifting, inspiring. So I want it to be a lavender color background. And look, it's coding, it's doing everything I'm telling it to do. There you go. It's lavender. I will have a great day. Look how wonderful. Oh, I love that color. And now change today's affirmation. You can do that. So now I will win today. I am great. I can just keep programming affirmations. And every time I want to check and I want something positive while I'm working or it will happen. Now I want some flowers. I want to put some beautiful flowers in the background just to spruce up the affirmation so I can feel positive. So it asks, do I want it soft illustrated flowers? Yes, I do. Do I want it to be static or not? No, I want the flowers to be static. I don't want it moving all around. I don't want it to distract me. And it gave me flowers in the background. Okay, so now we're about to publish this app. I'm so excited. Okay, so now it came out beautiful. I want to publish it. I want to go live. This is how you go about it. Drafting your app's technical specs. Okay, so now it's doing everything so it can go live. This is the draft. I will win today. Okay. I am great. Okay. So it has everything I asked for. It is about to go live. All right. So I'm very excited. I'm going to publish it today on my social media page, Instagram. Okay. So you can put this on TikTok or anything you want to put it on. I'm going to link this to my link tree. Okay. I'm so excited. Now, here's the title: Try My Affirmation app made with Caffeine AI. Okay. So that is the title, and it's going to be added to my link tree. So if you click on my link tree, you can check out my app. Okay. And it's inside your hustle. Okay. So go to my Instagram page. Check this out. Okay. Here we go. It's going to be on my link tree right here. All right. So now if you click on my link tree, you will see it. All right. Here we go. There you go. Try my affirmation app. Let's click on that. Made with Caffeine AI. And it takes you right to it. You see what I'm saying? I will have a super day. I can save that affirmation right there. All right. So now it saves. It gives you the time it would say. I love that. You see the background with the flowers now is all lavender. I will win. Look, you can save that. Now I can clear everything if I want. I'm telling you, you can do this with any type of app you can make with caffeine. You can do a whole planner. Let me show you the specs, by the way. The specs, it shows you everything. This is a summary of everything. My goal was to publish the current floral affirmation app exactly as is via clean, redeployable. This was an app. It did everything it said it was going to do. Now, this is a code. So if you're into coding, you're going to be into this. This is exciting, right? Okay. I'm not a great coder, but if you are, you know what this means. Okay. So this is the code. Okay. There's a summary. It gave me a clean app. Okay. It verified everything I wanted in the app. Everything. The change button, the affirmation button, the clean, the lavender, the flowers. Here's the draft right here. Now, this is it live. Today's affirmation. So let me tell you, I did an affirmation app. If you want to like make a planner instead of walking around with a big old heavy planner, okay, you can make a planner with caffeine, okay? And you can put in what you have to do for the day. Put in all your information. You're going to do this. You're going to do this at this time of the day. You're going to do this. And you might need a reminder. You can go to your caffeine app. Check off what you're doing, what you haven't done. Make sure you complete your day's task, okay? It's very simple. That's my next app, by the way. I'm going to do a whole planner on what I need to do for the day. That way I can just go on it, check it every day to make sure I check off everything and that everything was completed for the day. You could do so many different types of apps. They're very easy to design. You're pretty much just telling it, speaking to the chat what you want, and it'll create it. It's very, very simple. Make sure you have it on Pro. It's very simple to do. If you've been sitting on an idea and waiting for the right time or the right skills, this is your sign. Check out Caffeine.ai and start the conversation, because your idea doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to start. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try building with Caffeine.ai. Yes. And remember, you are amazing. Bye.